The release of beavers here at Holnicote is such an important moment because they're incredible ecosystem engineers, so they do a lot of the work that we would want to see here on the Holnicote Estate for us for free forever. So a key part of what they do is to create wetlands, so they make space for water. They create really diverse, rich waterscapes, and that's great for wildlife. It boosts biodiversity and abundance, but those wetlands are a sponge in the landscape. They hold water in the landscape, so that's slowing the flow of water through, so that's mitigating the impact of extreme weather, both hot and dry weather, but also those higher flow events, so it's reducing flood risk for communities downstream.
Obviously bringing the beavers back today has been really influential, and they'll be able to manipulate the environment to their needs really quickly. So in a few months you'll be seeing dams built and water held back in the landscape, preventing flooding and also helping sediment discharge as well. And then in years to come, these guys will help nature flourish really highly. It's going to be amazing to see what these guys can do in the future and the impact they can have.
So this partnership is all about looking after our collective future. When we first partnered with the National Trust, there was this huge potential in recognizing how nature-based solutions can help prevent flood, which as a home insurer is something that we're really dedicated to doing, figuring out how can we protect not only our customers but all the communities that they live in. But at the same time, the solution is so elegant because it has so many benefits that it brings in addition to the flood prevention.
Working with the local community and other land managers to develop a resilient landscape. So a landscape that's economically resilient, that's economically diverse, but also that's environmentally diverse. And beavers are a key part of that, and that's why beavers here at Holnicote are super important, and that's thanks to the partnership with Admiral.